8:30, 9 o'clock when I heard the impact. I didn't see when it was actually going off, but when I heard the impact, I turned around and when I looked across here, I saw the car sinking. When I go over there to try to get him out of the vehicle, he was actually trapped. The windows were up and the car doors couldn't open. So trying to knock the glass, it still wouldn't open. Then by this time, my sister came along with a hatchet. So we knock it, and by breaking it out, and then we see him push out him and we pull him out from the back part of the vehicle. So it was a success. Wow, I was so happy because at one point I felt disappointed, like time is passing, must be on by now. But when we break out the glass, I was seeing him hand come out. And to be honest, me not expect him to still be alive. It's like me, I think that, you know, I don't know what else is there. It's like it's a miracle. We just glad to see him come out alive.